Hi everyone, it's summer and that also means cutting season for your lawn. And how to set up robotic lawnmower after winter. That's what I'm about to do next, so let's see that together. My lawnmower is Husqvarna 415X, but this applies to many other models and manufacturers. I have my mower and the charging station stored in my storage space for the winter. Next, we'll just take this out and go to location where the charging station usually is. Plug the cables and see if everything is okay after winter. Now, this is the place where the charging station has been. When the winter comes, I unplug the cables from the charging station and leave them there. So, there are boundary wires that go around your lawn. Also, there is guide wire that guides your lawnmower to charging station, even though this has GPS. And I have electricity plug ready and waiting as well. Next, we'll do the connections. Now we have the cables connected. Let's move the charging station closer to its location. In Husqvarna charging stations, there's this green LED that indicates everything is okay. No broken cables and the boundary wire is intact. Good. Now I'll plug mower in the charging station and fine-tune the location. My charging station is a little under this terrace, but I'll leave it out that much that the control panel hatch can freely open. Husqvarna mower also asks for pin code as it starts up when connected to charging station. Now I can finish setting up the charging station. I'll just set these plastic screws to ground that keep the charging station at its place. Next, you can just put the mower to work from your app or directly from the control panel. This time, mower waits until it's finished syncing with cloud and that the battery is charged full. And there was also a firmware update, so let's install that as well. Now everything is ready for this summer. Go to work now, winter holiday is over for you mower. And this is how it works for most robotic mowers as well. You'll have boundary wires on your lawn ready and waiting, and usually for the winter, charging station is recommended to be stored in dry, frost-free conditions with the mower. Have the battery charged to full before storing. And when the time comes, you'll take it out, do the connections and possibly install updates to your mower, and it's ready to do mowing all summer. I hope this video was useful, and if you're new to this channel, I'm an engineer that has passion for everyday technology, health technology, smart home, but also personal finance and lifestyle topics. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.